Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura, and today we're going to work on the fall off the log, which in my opinion is almost as foundational as the Charleston basic itself. It is everywhere. It's a transition into everything. It's a foundational component of moves like the Trickeration, like Chase, and probably a million others. We're going to build it up with music, but first, Patreon. Thank you, people of Patreon, for helping to make this video free for everyone in the world, including people like you. And if you want to help them out, links in the description. All right, back to building it up. We're going to start by bouncing our butts and our feet to give them a little bit of life. And then one me starts on the right foot, one me starts on the left foot. Does not matter. Pick your favorite foot and let's get going. Bounce around, warm up those ankles. Just the rhythm. Kick, step, step, step. Kick, step, step, step. Cross behind to add some movement. Add that bounce back in to give it some life. If you want to, move it farther by really falling on that standing leg. Fall, fall. Let's look at a couple of tips and finer points. This move is so flexible. You can do a lot with it. For me, the main things that make it feel nice are 1, that active standing leg we were talking about. And 2, falling into the step. If you check out the angle of my body during the kick, I'm literally falling. I can't just stand like that. And this makes movement a lot easier. All right, let's work it into the rest of our dancing. So basic Charleston starts on odd beats. What does fall off the log start on? Even beats. So we're going to alternate one basic Charleston, one fall off the log, one basic Charleston, one fall off the log, and we're going to figure out how to manage that discrepancy. Let's talk about a few things that I do to make this feel prettier on me. The basic Charleston kind of moves forward and backwards. The fall off the log moves side to side. To me, transitioning between them is more than managing footwork. I need to manage momentum. Transition 1. On the basic Charleston, instead of kick-stepping with my left on 7-8, I step lean to the left so I can kick with my right for the fall off the log. Transition 2. On the fall off the log, instead of stepping with my left on 7, I'm kick-stepping forward on 7-8 to create that forward-back motion for the basic Charleston. Okay, let's not stop there. Let's take your basic fall off the log, and now we'll play with it.
just try to artfully jam on Fall Off the Log.
There you go. Now jazz is for playing, so go out there and dance it a bunch. I hope you had fun and learned a lot, and if you did, click like and subscribe and comment and all of that YouTube algorithm stuff. Half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy has a black dance, and I think the best way to do that dance is to do that dance.